everybody, it's Junior Baseball Fanatic 12 here, and I'm about to open up some 2019 Fat Packs. The one I'm going to start with is some 2019 Update Series. Okay. Oh, nice. A Pete Alonso rookie card. Rookie debut. Man, that's a nice one. I'm going to put that one aside. That one was a cool one. No one else yet, but there's still some really cool cards in here. 150 years. Then it looks like we got some inserts in there. No one else yet, but oh, that's a nice Mike Trout 2019 All-Star Game. I'll put that one aside too. Now on to our second one. There we go. Here. Tons Pannone. There's not really the ones we're looking up. Let's see. That looks like, well, let's turn that around. See, up. Looks like a specialty. They only made 2019 of these. It's a cool one. So let's put that over there. And a Cole Tucker rookie card. That's a nice one. HRN shout out. May 2nd, 2019. Vladdy Jr. rookie card, but that's a rookie debut card. That's still a really cool one. So so far that's a good pack. Josh Van Meter. Josh Van Meter was actually he was on my friend's team. Now on to Topps 2019 Archives Baseball. Matt Duffy. A Fernando Tatis Jr. rookie card. Man, that's a really cool one. And now Trey Mancini. Man, I really like him. He signed for me, but not only that, he got really sick, and I just really hope he gets better. Oh, look at that. A nice Topps Ken Griffey Jr. magazine cover. Here's the back. Wow, that one's a really cool one. And then a Kyle Tucker rookie card, Future Stars. That one's a cool one. No one else yet. There's older players, and then Robin Yount. Overall, that was a good pack. And now on to our big leagues. So far, we've got really good cards here. So let's see who we can get in this one. Got an Andrew Heaney. Rowdy Tellez, rookie card. He was really nice when I saw him play against the Rays in their spring training home, Port Charlotte. He was really nice to everyone, not just me. That's a nice Acuna. What is that? You have just received a star character. Ooh, that's a nice one. And then a rookie Brad Keller. Almost. It's cool. And then a Mookie Betts wall climber. That one's cool. Then Pete Alonso rookie card with a gold trim. Man, that one's awesome. Look at that. And so that one was this is definitely a good one. Matt Carpenter. He's a good ball player. So, wow. Man, that was a good one. Now on to our last packs of the night. Looks like, so it's 2019 high numbers. 2019 Heritage high numbers. Let's see who's in these. So, started off with some rookies, but Tyler Glasnow. He's really nice. He's also a really good pitcher. A play ball scratch off card, Jose Abreu. That's a cool one. And then award winners, Willie Mays Award winner, Steve Pearce. That's cool. Then some more rookie. No one else yet. Okay. That was still a really good one. We got some cool cards in there. Now on to our last one of 2019 Topps Heritage high numbers. Starting it off, not much rookies there, but that's cool. Reds Rakers. It's cool. Joey Votto. Christian Yelich Award winners. That's a nice one there. Got some other rookies. Oh, a Pete Alonso rookie. Man, the third one tonight. How cool is that? That's a nice one. There's the back, same as most of them, but well, thank you for watching, and please hit the subscribe button, and see you next time.